I'm calling bull crap on all of it, everything and all of it. I'm just calling bull crap. I'm short the market. I'm short the ES. I'm short the SPY right now with some puts. I'm going to show you my positions. I'm going to show you what my thought process. What am I thinking? Why do I believe that this is the top of the rally here at the 280 area? And now I talked about just the other day in the live stream why I believe that the 280 area was going to get hit. Did I not talk about it? Did I not talk about how the 280 area was going to get hit? And guess what? Today, the price of the SPY hit 280. I'm going to talk about what my vision is from here and how I'm looking to make money off the market crashing. Let's go. What's going on, guys? So I actually went fishing this morning. I came home and I actually ended up trading on my phone, but I came home, I started trading futures and got a position here at the, what was my average is the 2,808 area. So right there, 2,808. So the 808s, I got 3 contracts short, took a little bit of profit along the way. I'm holding the final 2 contracts for this 770 area. Right now we're at the 776. I want to get 1 contract. I'm going to take some profit there at the 770, and then I'm going to look to hold the rest basically till the end of day here. 2 hours here till the market closes, and the market will be closed on Friday as well. So that's my play right now. You can see the market just going straight to the moon today from the 2,700 area up there to 28, pulling back and then rallying again. I ended up getting short with my puts. I ended up buying puts when the market was right around this area at the 2,800. So I got a pretty good average overall, but obviously a lot of things can happen, and I'm going to talk about that position here in a second. But right now, this is what I got going on with my futures. Right now, you can screen somewhere, there's a little thing showing my realized and my unrealized. Right now, unrealized $300 and $52 in realized. So at this point, all I need to do is basically just move my stop loss. I can move my stop loss down. So either way, I'm locking in at least 10 handles. But like I said, I'm looking for I don't want to say a home run, but I'm looking for a move here that's going to get me excited. I need to make enough money today to basically justify how much money I spent to go fishing this morning. That's what my life's all about now. It's about figuring out how much money I need to make every day so that I can pay my bills and then go fishing. That's pretty much all I focus on. But right now, my P&L on the day for these puts is up. I'm up $500. Up $500 on these puts, and I have 2 contracts for April 15th expiration with a strike price of 276. 276. I don't need to go much further. I need the market just to get down to the 270 area, and either way I'm fine, but these are definitely around. I'm trying to see if I can pull up the actual I want to see the chart here. How do I pull up the chart? Either way, this morning I paid $4 for these puts. I paid $4 per the current price, $4.82. So I'm up 82 cents on those puts. I actually had some other puts for the 17th that I bought, and I can't pull that up either. All right, I closed those out for $186 in profit, just to kind of lock in some profit, lock in some green there. And then I bought these puts for April 29th, the 228 puts for April 29th, 2020, obviously. I paid $1.03, and right now I'm kind of break even on those. The market's pulling back on track. I got another 2 for April 29th at the 243, something a little bit more realistic. And I paid $2.20 for those. Or I paid $2.05 for those, $2.05 for those, and currently they're at $2.20 for May 4th. This is kind of like my lottery. May 4th, 242 puts. Only bought one of those. I paid $2.63. Currently, they're at $2.67. Right now, my P&L is kind of going up now, obviously, with the market finding some support there. All right, so if you can see here, this is the overall market with the S&P 500. This is right now the MES. We're looking at ES. It's all the same pretty much. If you see this recent move, we went from the $3,300, $3,400 area down there to $2,180. We've bounced back, just magically bounced back to the $2,800 area. We know what's going on. We know the Fed's printing money. Everybody is out of jobs right now. Everybody's out of business. Nobody's making money. Restaurants are closed. Foreclosures are going to go up. There's going to be a housing bubble because people aren't going to be able to pay their rent. They're not going to be able to pay their mortgage. People can't pay their credit cards. They don't have jobs. You got to think there's a lot of stuff going on here. The perfect storm for another recession or another crash here. So that's what I'm looking at. I did buy some stocks recently long-term. I bought there at the $2,400 area, but we just rallied too quick, so I took profit. I took profit on those stocks recently. I was up green on most of them, like 30 to 40, 50% on some of them, so I was like, screw it. I'm taking profit, and that's why I decided to get short here at the 280 area, because, like, again, I believe that this is unwarranted. This whole entire move is just nothing but the Fed printing money. The Fed printing money. It's like, what is going on out there? There's no logic behind any of this anymore. It's basically just the market is like, it's a woozy, it's a wazi, it's a gazy, it's a fozzy. No one really has a clue. So that's why I'm sitting here telling you guys that this is my plan. At the end of the day, it's a small risk for a large return. I already profited from this move. I'm already locked in here in the profit on the futures move. So either way, with the puts, I put a couple $1,000s. I bought a couple $1,000s worth of puts. I've already locked in a little bit of profit. The downside on those puts is much better, or, the upside is much better than the downside. If we do pop back above the $2,800 area and we kind of just show that there's no reason anymore and the whole market's going to go to the moon, I'll end up getting out of them for a small loss. But I got a really good entry. The old idea that when the market just goes crazy and starts getting just stupid, well, sometimes you got to look for opportunities. And the only opportunity that I saw, other than I don't want to get long here, like I don't want to be buying at this point. Buying at this high makes no sense to me. So I would pretty much wait for a pullback either way. So I'm waiting for a pullback, so I might as well buy some puts. If I believe, deep down that I'm like, hey, I don't want to buy here because, I don't really feel comfortable getting long at this point, then, well, I might as well go buy some puts. So that's what I ended up doing here with the options. And the great thing about the options is, a small amount of money you can leverage to make a large amount of money. Obviously, there's a lot more to it, but that's my game plan. Looking at the overall market to pull back next week after this 3-day weekend. Again, I'm hoping that it pulls back more today. We still got about an hour and a half. We'll see what happens here. But right now, currently sitting at $277 there on those last two final contracts. Let's see where we're going to go from here. I think we're still looking pretty good here. We can kind of just find some support. We're kind of bouncing around the support here from earlier, and I think we can kind of just fall through there. If we just fall through that support, it's going to be a waterfall. It's just going to go from like 277 to 2740, like bam, like that. So that's what I'm looking for. And it's not that I want the world to end or I want people, to lose money or stuff like that. But at the end of the day, I'm a trader and I'm looking for opportunities on the way up, on the way down, and mostly just looking for opportunities in general. I really have I guess I kind of do have a bias here because, I believe that the market's going to go lower. But in general, I don't really care. If the market goes higher, if we pop above 280 and the market starts to go crazy again, I'm like, all right, screw it. I'll look to go long. But as long as we kind of look weak at this $2,800 area, then I'm looking to stay short. So that's my game plan. That's what my thought process is. Just like the other day in the live stream, I talked about this 280 area. I talked about it multiple times. I was like, 280, 280, 280. It's coming, baby. It's coming. Everyone's like, nah, man, the market's going to crash. It's going back to all-time lows. Nah. Look at us now. We're at the 280 area, and now it's time to get short. And let's make some money. So there we go. It's all about risk management here, and we're managing our risk the best that we can in this type of environment. So let's see what happens going into the end of the day here. I will talk to you guys later on. The good thing is, by the time you guys see this video, you're going to know either I made money. Either way, I'm going to make money. But you're going to know by the end of this video, by the end of the day when you watch this, that it's kind of like it's not fair because you're seeing the future. You're going to know what the price of the market is when it closes here today. But I have no idea. Still got an hour and 30 to find out. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, the subscribe button, all the buttons down below, except for the dislike button. Hit the bell notification as well. Also leave a comment. What do you think? Where are we going? Where's the market going? Let's talk about it. Let's go.